Blueberry for Sale by Robert McCloskey. One day, Little Sal went with her mother to Blueberry Hill to pick blueberries. Suatu hari, Little Sal pergi bersama ibunya ke Blueberry Hill untuk memetik blueberry. Little Sal brought along her small tin pail, and her mother brought her large tin pail to put blueberries in. Little Sal membawa ember timah kecilnya, dan ibunya membawa ember timah yang besar untuk memasukkan buah beri ke dalamnya. "We will take our berries home and can them," said her mother. Kita akan membawa buah blueberry kita ke rumah dan mengalengnya, kata ibunya. "Then we will have food for winter." Sehingga kita akan mempunyai makanan untuk musim dingin. Little Sal picked 3 berries and dropped them in her little tin pail. Kepling, keplang, kepleng. Little Sal memetik 3 buah blueberry dan menjatuhkannya ke dalam ember timah kecilnya, sehingga berbunyi kupling, keplang, kepleng. She picked 3 more berries and ate them. Dia memetik 3 buah blueberry lagi dan memakannya. Then she picked more blueberries and dropped one in a pail. Keplong. Kemudian dia memetik lebih banyak buah blueberry dan menjatuhkan 1 buah ke dalam ember sehingga berbunyi keplang. And the rest she ate. Dan dia makan sisanya. Then Little Sal ate all 4 blueberries out of her pail. Kemudian Little Sal memakan ke-4 blueberry dari embernya. Her mother walked slowly through the bushes, picking blueberries as she went and putting them in her pail. Ibunya berjalan perlahan melewati semak-semak sambil memetik blueberry dan memasukkannya ke dalam embernya. Little Sal struggled along behind, picking blueberries and eating every single one. Little Sal berjalan di belakang ibunya, memetik blueberry dan memakan semuanya. Little Sal hurried ahead and dropped a blueberry in her mother's pail. Little Sal bergegas maju dan menjatuhkan sebuah blueberry ke dalam ember ibunya. It didn't sound kopling. Itu tidak terdengar bunyi kopling, because the bottom of the pail was already covered with berries. Karena bagian bawah ember sudah tertutup dengan buah blueberry. She reached down inside to get her berry back. Dia mengulurkan tangannya ke dalam untuk mengambil berinya kembali. Though she really didn't mean to, she pulled out a large handful because there were so many blueberry right up close to the one she had put in. Meskipun dia benar-benar tidak bermaksud demikian, dia mengeluarkan segenggam besar buah blueberry karena ada begitu banyak blueberry tepat di dekat blueberry yang dia masukkan. Her mother stopped picking and said, ibunya berhenti memetik blueberry dan berkata, "Now, Sal, you run along and pick your own berries." Sekarang, Sal, kamu larilah dan memetik buah berimu sendiri. Mother wants to take her berries home and can them for the next winter. Ibu ingin membawa pulang buah blueberry ibu dan menyimpannya untuk musim dingin datang. Her mother went back to her picking, but Little Sal, because her feet were tired of standing and walking, sat down in the middle of a large clump of bushes and ate blueberries. Ibunya kembali memetik blueberry, tetapi Little Sal, karena kakinya lelah berdiri dan berjalan, duduk di tengah-tengah semak yang besar dan makan blueberry. On the other side of Blueberry Hill, Little Bear came with his mother to eat blueberry. Di sisi lain bukit blueberry itu, ada seekor beruang kecil datang dengan ibunya untuk memakan blueberry. "Little Bear," she said, "beruang kecil," kata ibunya, "eat lots of blueberry and grow big and fat." Makanlah banyak buah blueberry dan tumbuh besar dan gemuk. We must store up food for the long, cold winter. Kita harus menyimpan makanan untuk musim dingin yang panjang. Little Bear followed behind his mother as she walked slowly through the bushes eating berries. Beruang kecil itu mengikuti di belakang ibunya saat dia berjalan perlahan melewati semak-semak sambil memakan buah blueberry. Little Bear stopped now and then they ate berries. Beruang kecil itu sesekali berhenti untuk memakan buah blueberry. Then he had to hustle along to catch up. Kemudian dia harus bergegas lari untuk mengejar ibunya. Because his feet were tired of hustling, he picked up a large clump of bushes and sat down right in the middle and ate blueberries. Karena kakinya lelah untuk berjalan, dia memilih semak-semak besar untuk duduk di tengah-tengahnya dan memakan blueberry. Over on the other side of the hill, Little Sal ate all of the berries she could reach from where she was sitting. Then she started out to find her mother. Di sisi lain bukit, Little Sal memakan semua buah blueberry yang bisa diraihnya dari tempat duduknya. Lalu dia mulai mencari ibunya. She heard a noise from around a rock and thought, "That is my mother walking along." Dia mendengar suara dari sekitar batu dan berpikir, itu ibuku sedang berjalan kemari. But it was a mother crow and her children, and they stopped eating berries and flew away, saying, "Cow, cow, cow." Tapi itu adalah induk-induk gajah dan anak-anak mereka. Dan mereka berhenti makan buah blueberry dan terbang pergi sambil berkata, "Cow, cow, cow." Then she heard another noise in the bushes and thought, "That is surely my mother and I will go that way." Kemudian dia mendengar suara lain dari semak-semak dan berpikir, itu pasti ibuku, aku akan berjalan ke sana. But it was Little Bear's mother instead. Tapi itu malah ibu beruang kecil. She was tramping along, eating blueberries and thinking about storing up food for the winter. Dia berjalan-jalan, makan buah blueberry dan berpikir tentang menyimpan makanannya untuk musim dingin. Little Sal tramped right along behind. Little Sal berjalan tepat di belakangnya. By this time, Little Bear had eaten all the berries he could reach without moving from his clump of bushes. Pada saat ini, beruang kecil telah memakan semua buah blueberry yang bisa dia raih tanpa bergerak dari semak-semaknya. Then he hustled off to catch up with his mother. Dia bergegas untuk menyusul ibunya. He hunted and hunted, but his mother was nowhere to be seen. Dia mencari dan mencari ibunya, tetapi ibunya tidak terlihat dimanapun. He heard a noise from over his stump and thought, "That is my mother walking along." Dia mendengar suara dari atas tanggul dan berpikir, itu pasti ibuku sedang berjalan kemari. But it was a mother partridge and her children. Tetapi itu malah induk ayam hutan dan anak-anaknya. They stopped eating blueberries and hurried away. Mereka berhenti makan blueberry dan bergegas pergi. Then he heard a noise in the bushes and thought, "That is surely my mother. I will hustle that way." Kemudian dia mendengar suara dari semak-semak dan berpikir, itu pasti ibuku. Aku akan bergegas ke arah sana. But it was Little Sal's mother instead. Tetapi itu malah ibu Little Sal. She was walking along, picking berries, and thinking about canning them for the next winter. Dia berjalan-jalan, memetik buah blueberry, dan berpikir untuk mengawetkannya untuk musim dingin mendatang. Little Bear hustled right along behind. Little Bear bergegas di belakangnya. Little Bear and Little Sal's mother, and Little Sal and Little Bear's mother were all mixed up with each other among the blueberries on the blueberry hill. Ibu beruang kecil dan Little Sal, serta Little Sal dan ibu beruang kecil semuanya tercampur satu sama lain di antara blueberry di bukit blueberry itu. Little Bear's mother heard Sal walking along behind and thought it was my little bear, and she said, "Little Bear, munch munch, eat all you, gulp, can possibly hold swallow." Ibu beruang kecil mendengar Sal berjalan di belakangnya dan mengira itu adalah beruang kecil, dan dia berkata, "Hai beruang kecil, kunyah-kunyah, makan sepuasnya. Sepuas mungkin yang bisa kau tahan." Little Sal said nothing. Little Sal tidak berkata apapun. She picked 3 berries and dropped them, kapling, kaplong, kaplong, in her small tin pail. Dia memetik 3 buah beri dan menjatuhkannya ke embernya dan berbunyi kapling, kaplong, kaplong. Little Bear's mother turned around to see what on earth could make a noise like kaplong. Ibu Little Bear berbalik untuk melihat apa yang bisa membuat suara seperti kaplong. "Gruff," she cried. "Gruff," serunya, choking on a mouthful of blueberries. Tersedak dengan blueberry. "This is not my child. Where is a little bear?" "Ini bukan anakku. Di mana beruang kecil?" She took one good look and backed away. Dia memperhatikannya dan berjalan mundur. She was old enough to be shy of people, even a very small person like Little Sal. Dia cukup tua untuk membuat malu seseorang, termasuk orang kecil seperti Little Sal. Then she turned around and walked off very fast to hunt for Little Bear. Kemudian dia berbalik dan berjalan cepat untuk mencari beruang kecil. Little Sal's mother heard Little Bear tramping along behind and thought it was Little Sal. Ibu Little Sal mendengar beruang kecil berjalan di belakangnya dan mengira itu adalah Little Sal. She kept right on picking and thinking about getting blueberries for next winter. Dia terus memetik dan memikirkan tentang bagaimana mengaleng blueberry untuk musim dingin mendatang. Little Bear padded up and peeked into her pail. Beruang kecil naik dan mengintip ke dalam ember ibu Little Sal. Of course, he only wanted to taste a few of what was inside, but there were so many and they were so close together that he tasted a tremendous mouthful by mistake. Tentu saja dia hanya ingin mencicipi sedikit dari apa yang ada di dalam ember itu, tetapi ada begitu banyak dan mereka begitu berdekatan, sehingga dia tidak sengaja mencicipi sesuap blueberry yang luar biasa. Now, Sal, said Little Sal's mother without turning around. Sekarang, Sal, ketika ibu Little Sal berkata tanpa berbalik. You run along and pick your own berries. Larilah ke sana dan petik buah berimu sendiri. Mother wants to can this for next winter. Ibu ingin mengawetkannya untuk musim dingin mendatang. Little Bear tasted another tremendous mouthful and almost spilled the entire pail of blueberry. Beruang kecil mencicipi suapan yang besar dan hampir menumpahkannya seluruh ember yang berisi blueberry. Little Sal's mother turned around and gasped. Ibu Little Sal berbalik dan terkejut. My goodness, you are not my Little Sal. Ya ampun, astaga, kamu bukan Little Salku. Where? Oh, where is my child? Di mana? Oh, di mana anakku? Little Bear just sat munching and swallowing, licking his lips. Little Bear hanya duduk mengunyah dan menelan dan menjelati bibirnya. Little Sal's mother slowly backed away. Ibu Little Sal perlahan berjalan mundur. She was old enough to be shy of bears, even very small bears like Little Bear. Dia cukup tua untuk malu pada beruang, bahkan beruang yang sangat kecil seperti beruang kecil. Then she turned and walked away quickly to look for Little Sal. Kemudian dia berjalan, berbalik, dan berlari cepat untuk mencari Little Sal. She had not gone very far before she heard a kapling, kaplong, kaplong. Dia belum pergi terlalu jauh sebelum dia mendengar kapling, kaplang, kaplong. She knew just what made that kind of noise. Dia tahu persis apa yang membuat suara seperti itu. Little Bear's mother had not hunted very long before she heard a hustling sound that stopped now and then to munch and swallow. Ibu Little Bear tidak berburu terlalu lama sebelum dia mendengar suara bergegas yang berhenti sesekali untuk mengunyah dan menelan. She knew just what made that kind of noise. Dia tahu persis apa yang membuat suara seperti itu. Little Bear and his mother went home down one side of Blueberry Hill, eating blueberries all the way and full of food stored up for next winter. Beruang kecil dan ibunya pulang ke salah satu sisi dari bukit blueberry itu, makan blueberry sepanjang jalan dan penuh memakannya untuk menyimpannya untuk musim dingin berikutnya. And Little Sal and her mother went down the other side of Blueberry Hill, picking berries all the way, and drove home with food to can for next winter, a whole pail of blueberries and 3 more beside. Sementara itu, Little Sal dan ibunya pergi ke sisi lain bukit blueberry itu, memetik buah sepanjang jalan, dan pulang membawa makanan ember penuh blueberry untuk dikalengkan, sehingga mereka punya makanan untuk musim dingin. Tamat. The end. Thank you for watching, you guys. I'll see you in the next book. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.